Have you ever had your day disrupted by constant sneezing, a runny nose, or itchy eyes? Millions globally know this battle all too well. The battle against hay fever, a common seasonal antagonist. It seeps into your daily life, turning simple tasks into challenges and stealing your focus with relentless sneezing. More than a mere inconvenience, hay fever significantly affects our daily activities. But what if we fight this with natural remedies? First off, let's simplify what hay fever or allergic rhinitis is. This condition is your immune system's overreaction to harmless substances it perceives as harmful, such as pollen from trees, grasses, weed, and pet dander. It treats these substances like threats, triggering symptoms like sneezing, a runny or blocked nose, itchy eyes, and sometimes an itchy throat. This reaction is more likely in those with a family history of allergies or regular exposure to high allergen levels. Understanding this process can aid in managing symptoms effectively. Now, let's discuss some natural remedies and lifestyle changes that can help. Nature offers a multitude of solutions to tackle hay fever. As the adage states, let food be thy medicine, holding particular relevance when we talk about hay fever. Let's explore 3 key natural remedies that can assist in alleviating the symptoms of this common allergy. The first one is honey. It's theorized that consuming honey can aid your body in developing a tolerance to local pollen, the main catalyst for hay fever. Just a daily spoonful of honey can bring about a change. Not to mention, it's a delicious supplement to your tea or toast. On the topic of tea, our second remedy is chamomile. Chamomile tea acts as a natural antihistamine and anti-inflammatory. A warm mug of chamomile tea can bring comfort to your irritated nasal passages and provide relief from the sneezing and itching. Our third remedy is ginger. This root, known for its medicinal traits over centuries, is a natural antihistamine and decongestant, making it an excellent choice for hay fever sufferers. You can integrate it into your meals, brew it into a tea, or even savor it in a smoothie. These 3 remedies, local honey, chamomile tea, and ginger, can play a significant role in managing your hay fever symptoms. However, keep in mind that what aids one individual might not help another. It's about discovering what's most effective for you. While these remedies might help to manage your symptoms, they don't cure hay fever. However, incorporating these solutions into your diet can make a substantial difference. Having explored the benefits of honey, chamomile, and ginger, let's delve deeper into nature's pantry and discover more natural remedies that can help you combat hay fever. To begin, let's talk about essential oils. Eucalyptus and peppermint oils in particular are known for their ability to clear nasal passages and reduce inflammation. You can either inhale these oils directly, add a few drops to a hot bath, or use them in a diffuser for an all-night relief. Our next remedy is nettle tea. Not only is this plant a rich source of essential nutrients, but it also possesses antihistamine properties that can help reduce inflammation and control histamine production, thereby alleviating hay fever symptoms. You can easily find nettle tea in stores or even make your own at home. Last but not least, let's talk about probiotics. These beneficial bacteria can help strengthen your immune system and reduce allergic reactions. They can be found in a variety of foods like yogurt and kimchi, or even taken as a supplement. Remember, while these remedies can help manage your symptoms, they do not provide a cure for hay fever. However, they are not only natural but also easily accessible and can be incorporated into your daily routine. With these additional tools in your arsenal, you're well equipped to take on hay fever. 2 essential lifestyle changes play a significant role in managing hay fever, regular cleaning and using air purifiers. To start with, regular cleaning is fundamental. Dust, pollen and other allergens often settle on surfaces within our homes, so keeping a clean environment is crucial to reducing your exposure. This should include frequently vacuuming carpets, dusting furniture, and washing bed linens. Remember, while cleaning, consider wearing a mask to avoid breathing in the very allergens you're trying to eliminate. Moving on to air purifiers. These devices are indispensable in the fight against allergens. They work to filter out allergens from the air, ensuring that the air you breathe indoors is as clean as possible. While they're not a magical solution, they can significantly help in reducing the amount of pollen and other allergens in your living space. These two lifestyle changes, regular cleaning and using air purifiers, might seem a little daunting at first, but remember, every small step creates a larger impact. As we adapt our lifestyle to maintain good physical health, the same principle applies to managing hay fever. It's about creating a safe and comfortable environment for ourselves, reducing exposure, and ultimately alleviating those troublesome symptoms. After all, our well-being is always worth investing in, wouldn't you agree? Your diet can also play a significant role in managing hay fever. Let's explore some dietary changes that can help. Firstly, consuming foods rich in vitamin C can help boost your immune system. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant and can help your body to fight off allergens. Foods like oranges, strawberries, bell peppers and broccoli are excellent sources. Secondly, foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids can help reduce inflammation, which is a common symptom of hay fever. Foods like salmon, chia seeds, and walnuts are rich in omega-3. Lastly, it's essential to avoid foods that you're allergic to, as they can exacerbate your hay fever symptoms. Common food allergens include dairy, gluten, and shellfish. It's always a good idea to get tested for food allergies if you suspect they might be worsening your hay fever. Remember, a healthy diet is a cornerstone of a healthy life. As always, consult with a healthcare professional before making any drastic dietary changes. Do not forget the importance of consulting healthcare professionals if your symptoms persist. Some medications might be prescribed to help to relieve your symptoms, and tests might be requested if the need arises. If you enjoyed this content, please subscribe, like, and share these tips with your loved ones. Your engagement drives us to create more such helpful content. Stay fit and happy.